It is very important to stress that this is not a mandate, not yet, but recommendations by the Centers for Disease Control. It's one that certainly underscores the concern right now over that sharp increase in COVID cases nationally over the past month. Most of those cases, they're among patients who have not been vaccinated.
We have a pandemic because of the unvaccinated.
President Biden, who declared independence from masks on July 4th, is now supporting the new guidelines being offered by the CDC.
In areas with substantial and high transmission, CDC recommends fully vaccinated people wear masks in public indoor settings to help prevent the spread of the Delta variant and protect others.
CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky's decision is a reversal of guidelines she offered in May when COVID cases were on the decline. With new COVID cases increasing 300% over the past month, the CDC director said her recommendations are difficult but necessary.
Some vaccinated people infected with the Delta variant after vaccination may be contagious and spread the virus to others. This new science is worrisome.
The number one savior is vaccination.
Despite the data showing that 99% of deaths from the Delta variant were among people not vaccinated, some 2 million New Yorkers still have not received a shot in the arm. The new recommended guidelines pertain to areas of high and substantial transmissions, including all New York City counties, including Suffolk and Nassau counties, and some areas in New Jersey.
We relaxed our public health measures just a little bit too soon.
Dr. Anthony Santella is an infectious disease specialist at New Haven University.
If we were able to hold out just for another few weeks, a month or so, we wouldn't be in the situation we are today.
The latest CDC guidelines come as the country is averaging more than 57,000 new cases a day and 24,000 hospitalizations.
CDC reversing their indoor mask policy is the beginning of a trend where you're going to see public health mitigation strategies that were once put to bed come back due to the large volume of unvaccinated individuals and the prevalence of the Delta variant.
And with the return of school a little more than a month away, the CDC is recommending proper prevention strategies be put in place.
CDC recommends that everyone in K-12 schools wear a mask indoors, including teachers, staff, students, and visitors, regardless of vaccination status.
Now, that guideline is similar to one already being imposed for New York City schools. The governors of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, they have promised to review the new CDC recommendations, and then they'll decide whether or not to make them mandatory here. And in a further precautionary tightening, President Biden is expected to require all federal employees and contractors as well to be vaccinated or at least be required to submit the regular testing. Best advice right now is hang on to that mask. In the newsroom, I'm Marvin Scott.